Orca motors can be used with a variety of software and programming languages. In this video, we will be covering how to get started using an Orca motor with C++. Start by visiting our website, irisdynamics.com. Go to the Support tab and select Downloads. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. If you are a returning user, sign in. Scroll to the bottom of the Downloads page under Software, and you will find a link to the Orca Software Development Kit. This link will take you to the orcaSDK repo on the Iris Dynamics GitHub page. At the bottom of this page, you will find extensive reference material for using your Orca motor, including sections on software, hardware, setup for Windows and Linux, and compiling and running your application. Also featured on this page is a link to the tutorials repo. The tutorials repo contains detailed files on most operations that a user will need to get started with an Orca motor. Tutorials on subjects from triggering kinematic motions, force control, and auto-zeroing can all be found here for use with both C++ and Python. For more information on getting started with an Orca motor, visit the support page of our website, irisdynamics.com.